Hello everyone and welcome back to another NurseLuxe unboxing video. Today I'm going to be taking you through the contents of the May NurseLuxe box, so let's get into it. The theme of this month's box is COVID Warrior. A huge thank you to all of you who are working on the front lines and just being heroes right now. We hope that you find the items in this box useful on and off the job. We know that you're wearing your mask hours and hours and hours on end throughout this epidemic, so we wanted to help give your ears a break with this ear saver. It's made of acrylic, so it's easily sanitizable. Let me show you. This little guy, it has a heart on it and it says Nurse Strong, and it has all these little loops so you can easily adjust how tight you want your mask to be. Also included is this card. It has before you use your ear savers instructions and how to use an ear saver with a mask with loops, so it has clear directions on how you can use this with your mask, and we hope that this brings you a little bit more comfort to make your days a little bit easier. We're proud to bring you these cute and relevant buttons from outside the box. This one says Nurse Life and this one says We Don't Stay Home, We Stand Guard. They are Velcro, so you can attach them to your badge appeal or scope appeal or whatever suits your mood. You can remind patients and co-workers of your amazing COVID warrior status and pay homage to Nurse Life, which is getting pretty intense right now, but these are a great way to rock your nurse pride and celebrate all of your hard work. Up next in the box are the Romeo dark chocolate hearts. These little bites of love are vegan, handcrafted, fair trade. Let me read you a little bit more. They are sweetened with low glycemic coconut sugar. Use these for a little boost during your shift or for some you time after your shift. They are so delicious, beautiful, and a perfect little snack to lift your spirits. Our next item is actually a beauty item. It is an eye serum, the Glow Me Go Glow Eyes by Beauty Proof. It comes in this amazing packaging. It looks like this. This line of skincare is amazing, and it was designed by a nurse, which makes it even cooler. It is a really lightweight, creamy serum. It's unscented and it's designed for the most delicate area of your eyes. And it can help alleviate dark circles and relieve that feeling under your eyes, especially when you're not getting a lot of sleep, which I can imagine is happening a lot lately. So hopefully this gives you that well-rested look while also feeling luxurious and pampering you, which you very much deserve. These next two items kind of go in tandem. They are both from the brand Snarky Nurses. The first are these Snarky Nurses pens. They are so funny. Oh, they come in all different colors. These pens can help you share your funny and sometimes dark sense of humor with your patients and your coworkers, because after all, a little snark, a little bit of humor can be exactly what gets you through your shift. So let me read you some of these. You're in good hands. We love a good pun. I don't know who you are or why you stole my pen, but I will find you. Dot 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 dot, but did you die? And you have no idea what I touched before this pen. The greatest thing about these is these are designed and made by a nurse. We hope that these lift your spirits and make you laugh during the day. And along with that is this great little pen pouch that you can carry these in. It says love is everywhere, but so is coronavirus. Wash your hands. These bags were designed by a nurse. They're printed with vinyl and they are made of cotton canvas. Alright everyone, that is all for the NurseLuxe unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and once again, from the bottom of our hearts, from everyone here at NurseLuxe, thank you for all that you're doing on the front lines right now, and we hope that these items lift your spirits and make your life a little bit easier on and off the job. Thank you so, so much, and remember, stay sane, stay gorgeous, and keep on nursing. Bye everyone!